Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 raised to the power of 1. In this video, we will break down the steps to solve this problem step by step. So let's get started. To begin solving the integer exponent problem 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 1, we start by examining each part of the expression separately. The original expression is 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 1. First, we focus on 2 to the power of 4. This means multiplying 2 by itself 4 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. Next, we look at 3 to the power of 1. Any number to the power of 1 is simply the number itself. So 3 to the power of 1 equals 3. At this stage, we have simplified the exponentiation parts of the expression. The altered expression now reads 16 minus 3. This completes step 1. In step 2, we take the simplified parts of our original expression and perform the subtraction operation. Now remember, our expression has been altered from 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 1 to 16 minus 3. To complete this step, we simply subtract 3 from 16. When we subtract 3 from 16, we are left with 13. This completes the simplification of the original integer exponent problem. Therefore, the final simplified expression is 13. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.